Good morning, students. I am here. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach you Unit 2 Sports and Nutrition. This video is continued part of the previous video. Yesterday I have taught you about macronutrients. As you know, both categories of food are important to your health, but for different reasons. We need both macronutrients to help with energy, and we need micronutrients to help our body to be healthy and digest those macronutrients. So both type of nutrients are important for our body. Today I'm going to teach you about micronutrients. Okay, so let's start. Micronutrients are nutrients required in small quantity, but macronutrients are required in yes required in large quantity. Vitamins and minerals are commonly referred to as micronutrients because human body requires small amount for survival and proper growth and development. Various micronutrients are vitamin A, B, C, D, E and K. Minerals such as iron, calcium, magnesium, iodine, etc. So, first is vitamins. Vitamins are organic chemicals required by the body for its various metabolic processes and for the normal working of the body. Metabolic processes refer to the biological processes that a living organism uses to provide energy for sustaining life and growth. Vitamins are the best source of energy. They are required in very small amount. They are vital for the body. Vital means important for the body. Lack of vitamins can cause scurvy, beriberi, rickets, pellagra. These are names of diseases caused by lack of vitamins. An individual may need very less amount of vitamins every day, and it is in milligrams. Vitamins can be classified as fat soluble and water soluble. Okay, so vitamins are organic chemicals which are required by the body for its various metabolic processes. Fat soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins include vitamin A, D, E, and K. Fat soluble vitamins are stored in the body cells and are not passed out of the body as easily as water soluble vitamins. They are more likely to reach toxic levels if a person takes in too much of these vitamins. So these are nutrients: vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. And you will read about function, sources from where we can get vitamin A. Vitamin A we can get from animal sources: milk, cheese, cream, butter, egg yolk, liver. Beta carotene from plant sources, dark green leafy vegetables, red and yellow fruits and vegetables, carrot, pumpkin, mangoes, papaya. Vitamin D you can get from yolk, liver of sheep, cod liver oil, shark liver oil, pure milk, etc. Natural source of vitamin D is sun rays, especially early in the morning sunrises time. Vitamin E, polyunsaturated plant oils like soybean, corn, cottonseed, safflower, green leafy vegetables, wheat, whole grain products, liver, egg yolks, nuts, and seeds. And sources of vitamin K are present in salad of leaves. Vitamin K you can get from salad of leaves, cabbage, spinach, cauliflower, tomatoes, peas, and carrot, etc. You will read this page thoroughly. Okay. Now let's study about water soluble vitamins. Water-soluble vitamins include all of B vitamins and vitamin C. The amount of water-soluble vitamins that body doesn't use passes through the kidneys and leaves the body as urine or stool. The body needs water-soluble vitamin in frequent small doses and they are unlikely to reach toxic levels. So nutrients of water-soluble vitamins are here: vitamin B1 or thiamine, vitamin B2 or riboflavin, vitamin B3 or niacin, vitamin B5 or pantothenic acid, vitamin B6 or pyridoxine. And you will read this page thoroughly and you will find the functions of each vitamin, which are water soluble vitamins, sources, and deficiency. Without these vitamins, how does our body have to face different diseases? Some more water soluble vitamins are also vitamin B7, biotin, vitamin B9 or folic acid or folate, vitamin B12 or cobalamin, vitamin C or ascorbic acid. You will go through this page very carefully. Now, mineral salts. Minerals are inorganic elements which are required by the body needs for various psychological functions. They comprise 4% of our body weight. These are required for the various activities such as formation of hormones, maintenance of heartbeat, transmission of nerve impulses, etc. Mineral salts are called protective elements. These are very important for maintenance of the body. There are minerals required in large amount called macrominerals and those required in small amounts are called microminerals, trace minerals. So macrominerals are sodium. Here sodium and sources is present in common salt, vegetables and fruits also. Then comes chloride. Chloride sources are table salt, soya sauce, large amounts in processed foods, small amounts in milk, meat, bread, and vegetables. Here you will read about the functions and deficiency. And calcium. Calcium, as you know, makes bones and teeth strong. It maintains the blood pressure and helps to make blood clot at the time of bleeding. It helps other molecules to digest food and makes energy for body. Present in milk, orange, green, leafy vegetables, etc. Calcium is present in milk, orange, green, leafy vegetables, etc. And you will read about the deficiency yourself. Then comes phosphorus. Phosphorus is present in cheese, eggs, especially in yolk, potatoes, almonds, nuts, wheat, milk, and liver, etc. And its lack can cause hindrance, obstacle in growth, weak bones, etc. Then comes magnesium. Magnesium, you will read about the function from your book. Magnesium sources are nuts and seeds, pulses, leafy green vegetables, seafood, chocolate, etc. And due to lack of these, diabetes, poor absorption, chronic diarrhea, celiac diseases will be caused due to lack of this mineral, magnesium. Then comes macrominerals, some more. Potassium. Sources are meats, milk, fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, pulses. You read about the function and deficiency. Sulfur occurs in foods as part of protein in meat, poultry, fish, eggs, milk, pulses, and nuts. Then comes microminerals. These are required in very less amount, that is 0.01 gram of each trace elements per day. Some trace elements are iron. Iron present in liver, eggs, meat, onions, pulses, dates, figs, dry fruits and lettuce. लेटस जिसको बोलते हो चुकंदर, चुकंदर बोलते हो ना, चुकंदर रेड कलर का होता है. So then comes copper. Copper helps in formation of hemoglobin of blood along with iron. Pulses, nuts and seeds. whole grains, organ meats, drinking water. Muscle weaknesses here. Muscle weakness due to lack of this. Muscle weakness, anemia. Anemia is lack of blood. Low white blood cell count, neurological problems, and paleness. Then comes iodine. Iodine sources are present in iodized salt, fish, seafood, etc. And you read about function and deficiency. Chromium. Chromium present in carrot, tomato, soybean, groundnuts, black gram. Deficiency may cause diabetes. Okay. Then cobalt. This is macromineral present in milk, meat, green leafy vegetables, etc. And deficiency cause anemia. Zinc. It is available in meats, fish, poultry, whole grains, vegetables, and chronic liver diseases, chronic renal diseases will be caused due to lack of zinc. Then come selenium. Selenium, this is antioxidant available in meats, seafood, greens. Lack of zinc will cause chronic liver disease, chronic renal disease. Then comes selenium. It is antioxidant available in meat, seafood, grains. Then comes magnesium, and sources are widespread in foods, especially plant foods. Deficiency will cause poor bone growth or skeletal defects, slow or impaired growth. Then fluoride. Sources are drinking water, either fluoridated or naturally containing fluoride, fish, and most teas. And deficiency will cause dental caries or tooth decay. Then comes chromium. Sources are organ meats, especially liver, whole grains, nuts, cheese. Deficiency will cause impaired insulin function, inhibition of protein synthesis and energy production, and 2 diabetes and heart diseases here. Then molybdenum. Sources are pulses, breads and grains, green leafy vegetables, milk, liver. And deficiency will cause intellectual disability, seizures. You will read about all these macro and micro minerals and try to prepare notes also. In my next video, you will learn about nutritive and non-nutritive components of diet. Okay, and you will also go through page number 64, page number 65, 66. Okay, so stay alert, stay healthy, mask yourself, take proper care of yourself and your parents, brothers and sisters. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you. Stay blessed. Thank you.